8 planets orbit our sun, and every one of them is a world stranger than the last. Here is our entire solar system, simply explained from the closest planet to the farthest. At the center of it all sits the sun, a vast ball of glowing gas. It is so enormous that it holds about 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. Every planet and moon orbits what little is left over. Closest to the sun is Mercury, the smallest planet. It races around the sun in just 88 days, so a single year there is shorter than 3 of our months. Yet it is not the hottest, because it has almost no atmosphere to hold the heat. Next comes Venus, and this is the hottest planet of all, around 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. A thick blanket of carbon dioxide traps the heat, making it even hotter than Mercury, which sits much closer to the sun. Then there is Earth, our home, and so far the only place in the entire universe known to hold life. It is the only planet where liquid water flows freely across the surface. Mars, the red planet, owes its color to rust in its soil. It is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, standing nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Jupiter is the giant of the family, so massive that every other planet could fit inside it with room to spare. Its famous Great Red Spot is a storm wider than the whole Earth that has been spinning for centuries. Saturn is best known for its breathtaking rings, made of countless pieces of ice and rock. The planet itself is so light for its size that, in a large enough ocean, Saturn would actually float. Uranus is the oddball of the solar system. It is tipped right over and spins on its side, rolling around the sun like a ball. Methane in its air gives it a pale, eerie blue-green color. Neptune is the most distant planet, a deep blue world battered by the fastest winds in the solar system, over 2,000 kilometers per hour. It is so far away that 1 year there lasts about 165 Earth years. Circling these planets are hundreds of moons. Jupiter and Saturn each have dozens, and some of them hide vast oceans of liquid water beneath shells of ice, possible homes for life. Beyond Neptune drifts Pluto. Once counted as the 9th planet, it was reclassified in 2006 as a dwarf planet, and it is actually smaller than our own moon. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a ring of millions of rocky leftovers from the birth of the solar system, around 4.5 billion years ago. And all of this floats in mostly empty space. If the sun were shrunk to the size of a door, the Earth would be a tiny coin, resting tens of meters away. 8 planets, hundreds of moons, and 1 ordinary star, all drifting together through a galaxy of billions more. Subscribe to Aphelion, and we will keep exploring it.